Meaning of deduce.
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 Deduce. Deduce means to reach a conclusion or inference by reasoning. It is a process of using available information, observations, or facts to arrive at a logical conclusion. This involves analyzing the information, drawing logical connections between various pieces of data, and using deductive reasoning. The result of deducing may involve making an educated guess or drawing a logical inference based on the available evidence. Deductive reasoning is an important skill used in fields such as science, mathematics, philosophy, and law, where arriving at logical conclusions based on available evidence is crucial.